They didn't fight on Ukraine's front line, but these young musicians still bear the scars of war.
I heard bombs, I heard this was close to me, just a street near me. Yeah, but I understand it's what happened to each of us, I think.
I miss my previous life because, you know, I lose my studies, I lose my job, I lose my girlfriend. Yeah, it's too much for the short period, you know.
So now our family separate. My mom and brother in Ukraine, my brother in Poland, I'm in UK, and it's so hard that you almost 1 year. We're just separate and it's awful.
They managed to make their way out of a war zone with the help of the London Performing Academy of Music. As they were studying with them online, bosses here decided to bring them over to complete their studies.
Music has nothing to do with the war. War has nothing to do with these guys or my professors and artists in Russia. War is outside of any sense and should just stop, basically. Without anyone winning or losing, just stop now.
Stefania has raised funds and secured scholarships for some students, but not all.
What happens if there is no scholarship? If the scholarships don't come through, what happens then?
I will find a way. I'm not going to let them down.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure.
Without the scholarships, Stefania knows their studies will have to stop. Tonight, they'll be performing at the Music Education Awards, and they're determined to keep the show on the road.